सो स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम एकदम बिगिनिंग, ये बताओ पहले आपका जेट है कि नहीं, जेट वेट
आई होप है नहीं, लेकिन
क्यों इंडिया सीईओ के पास जेट नहीं है भाई?
जिस दिन हम उस साइज के हो जाएंगे तब शायद जेट हम भी ले लें।
बिजनेस साइज के हो जाएंगे तब। लाइक डू इंडिया का सीईओ ऑफ स्टारबक्स, ग्लोबल स्टारबक्स बोर्ड अपॉइंट करती है कि इंडिया टाटा अपॉइंट करता है?
So neither in a sense. In India, it is actually a separate company. It is a JV.
ओके,
दोनों का 50-50 stake है. Tata's have 50% stake and Starbucks has 50% stake. So हमारा अपना board है with equal members from both
from Tata and
Tata's and from the Starbucks side. And it is a board appointment in terms of
the CEO. Okay. Why do you think you were chosen?
ये तो आपको बोर्ड को पूछना पड़ेगा.
Why do you think? आपको क्यों लगता है कि आपको choose?
So couple of things. I think I think I've done, as I said now, 20+ years beverage industry में. I know the Indian consumer. I have created multiple businesses, scaled it up, and I think when I was taking up this role, as compared to, let's say, the previous role that I did, this role is actually much smaller in terms of size, people, scale. It is actually 1/10 when I was looking at this role 3 years back. But iska potential was huge, and the challenge was something which was very exciting, because this was like setting up a business and expanding it and creating a category.
Okay, so आप थे part इसके?
So मैंने वहाँ से शुरू किया. So हमने यहाँ launch किया. So I was part of the launch team.
Strategy
when we did the first store.
When did it start? Which was the first year?
2012.
Starbucks 2012 में first time इंडिया में आया?
October 19, 2012. Fort वाला store was the first store that we opened.
Okay.
So the first 10 years was about learning, was understanding, and being confident that we can make the Starbucks business a success and a profitable business. And that is when I think the board thought कि अभी हमको expand करना चाहिए. हमको अभी we now know कि ये कैसे चलाते हैं, क्या करना चाहिए, confidence है अभी इस पे, but now we need to become bigger and expand.
अब accelerator
चाहिए. So that is, I think, when they thought that someone who knows the market, who understands the market beyond metros, and not just, and has a good understanding of the consumer, the food and beverage industry, is what is more important. And someone who also has seen the retail side and knows the Starbucks ethos because of having worked earlier. So I presume that is the reason as to why
they chose you.
They chose me. I'm guessing.
Okay. So tell me, in the beginning, 2012 में Starbucks ने बोला इंडिया में आना है हमें, कि टाटा went to Starbucks और उन्होंने बोला कि we should do something? I think it was the other way around. Starbucks was looking to come to India for a while. Okay.
उन्होंने 2-3 बार दूसरे लोगों के साथ भी बात किया था, attempt किया था. And then I think it was more about the leadership team, Howard and Mr. Krishna Kumar, who used to be a senior leader in the Tata Group, jinka I think was more about the value system in terms of doing good for the community, which is what both the Tatas believe in, and Schulz, Howard also believed in. And I think it was more that which got them together and said कि चलो हम एक साथ काम कर सकते हैं, than anything else. So that is how it started.
Okay, so they decided, उन लोगों का start हुआ. How does things start? कि एक बड़ी franchisee है, वो बड़ी कंपनी है, वो इंडिया में आना चाहती है और इंडिया बोलती है क्योंकि हमको expand करना है. In the beginning, क्या ये starting में decide करते हैं कि how much investment we're going to put in, and then we slowly raise investments? So like, what's the scheme of things at that scale?
Yeah, so I think the way we worked on it, as I said, वो पहला stage वही था कि क्या पोटेंशियल है, अगर हम स्टोर खोलेंगे किस प्राइस पॉइंट पे खोलना चाहिए, कंज्यूमर का क्या बिलीफ है, कितना स्टोर शायद हो सकता है. और उस टाइम कैफे कॉफी डे was the only organized chain
And it was booming at that.
and booming at that time. तो वो एक हमारे लिए benchmark था in some ways. So we did a 5-year plan. And obviously a lot of debate, discussions. There was this whole thing of price point, should be the price point. We were quite clear कि हम premium है, and Starbucks is premium irrespective of which part of the world it is. लेकिन किस extent तक premium and
किस extent तक
affordable, that was a big debate. दूसरा debate था, and we were very clear that the initial lot of people who will come यही हैं जो बाहर जा चुके हैं, Starbucks exposed हो चुके हैं, and Starbucks के एक वो brand value है. Everyone is looking forward to, you know, it is like Coke, Pepsi, McDonald's, you know, these are iconic US brands.
Yes.
And Starbucks is in the similar iconic category, right? So वो एक latent demand तो था. हमको पता है कि पहले 10, 15, 20 स्टोर तो चलेगा ही चलेगा. उसमें कोई इशू नहीं है. The issue was sustainable over a period of time and what is the market capacity.
थैंक यू सो मच ये क्लिप एंड तक देखने के लिए. अगर आपको और भी ऐसी क्लिप्स देखनी है तो राज शमानी क्लिप्स चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए.